Hey YouTube, my name is Justin-Rayne if you could not read from my robe, and welcome to my channel. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to be here, and this is technically, and I guess, like my first video. Are we like popping my cherry? I guess so. Welcome. Today's video is all about skincare on a dime, but it is the Target edition, and pow. Alright you guys, the mask is coming off, and without further ado, let's get right into it. If you don't know, to build and put together like an introductory skincare routine, it only requires 4 steps, or I only require 4 steps in my entry level or basic routine. You have a cleanser, a toner, a serum, and a moisturizer. I'm gonna go through, and I've done research, and I have found you guys 4 amazing products that I think will be great and work on most skin types. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this cleanser. First up, we have Versed Wash It Out Gel Cleanser. I heard a lot of cool things about this cleanser. People really liked that it was light. It had, it was gel. It had a kind of like foamy consistency, but it wasn't too deep of a lather. And a lot of people actually like the minty, tingling feeling that they got from it. Personally, I would say if you are trying to avoid peppermint oil, or if you have very sensitive skin as it pertains to peppermint, I would actually suggest maybe avoiding this one. But that's my only kind of call out thing to be aware of for anyone. So let's go ahead and hydrate and wash this face. Oh yeah, I actually use micellar cleanser water when I wash my face. And remember, when washing your face, you want to wash it for about a good 60 seconds, and you want to go in circular motions. You don't want to be too rough on your skin. But like I said, a big comment about this cleanser was that it didn't really have a foamy lather, and that it required a little bit more work than, other people to get that lather to appear. So let's wash this off. Like I said, I use micellar cleanser water to kind of like prep my face or wet my face. It's kind of like a water base. Also use water. You can use water, people. But micellar cleanser water, just has some extra ingredients and things like that to help cleanse. So let's wash this off my face, and then let's get ready to tone. Personally, if you want to be as hygienic as possible, I battle with ingrowns, and I am hypersensitive and insecure about my pore size. So I actually subscribe and use Clean Skin Club towels. What I love about these towels are they're paraben free, they are eco-friendly, they're recyclable, and they just ensure for me personally that the hygiene, the removal of all dirt and things of that nature are going to be at 1,000. I would suggest purchasing the extra large pack, the 60 count, and cutting them in half, and you can use 1/2 for the day and 1/2 for the night.
You smart.
And you also can get 20% off if you use my code JRAYNE. Yes, JRAYNE. Yes, that's me. Now we're on to toner. A lot of people have mixed feelings, and there's a big argument within the beauty community about if toners are even necessary. Personally, you're gonna hear me say that I love toners. I think the issue with toners is that sometimes a lot of toners that are out there don't really have any active ingredients or purpose that's actually doing anything for your skin. A toner's job is to, after cleansing and stripping your skin of all that dirt and grime, and also nutrients and things that were living inside your skin prior to cleansing, you need to go back and add back in some of those nutrients, balance out those pH levels. Without further ado, let's go ahead and try out Thayers Facial Toner in Rose Petal. You only need a few drops, and you want to actually press this toner in. You don't really want to rub it. And actually, this type of application style is how you should be applying all of your products by hand. I want to make sure I'm clear about that. So that is Thayers Facial Toner. The next step is the serum. The process of the serum. Why do we need a serum? There has been a whole uproar in serums. I feel like the past 2 or 3 years, and now we have too many to choose from. The job of a serum is to do the hard work. It's the Action Jackson step in the skincare routine. And when I say that, I'm meaning, okay, so you've cleansed your face, you've removed all the dirt, you've removed all the grime. Let's say you have some issues. Let's say you have some dark spots, let's say you have some hyperpigmentation, things of that nature, which are very common in communities of color. And I've made the most improvements in my skin via this step. So today we're going to be using Naturium's Niacinamide serum, which is 12% plus adds 2% in zinc. And I really love niacinamide. It reduces the appearance of pores. It actually is a key ingredient, like I said earlier, in attacking hyperpigmentation. And this actually is a really great concentrated serum. This is definitely an amazing product and one you should add to your roster. And this actually retails for $16. I've heard amazing things. And just for everyone out there, I've actually been using this routine for the past week. All you need is a dime-sized amount in your hand. If you want to feel overzealous, if you feel like you have a big head or something like me, I'm just doing this for the sake of the demo. You can apply more, and if you cannot resist the urge to rub, like I said, at least go upward. Because the thing is, you don't want to droop, girl. You don't want to be windswept. You want to pull this thing back, you know? Last up. I told you guys this is quick and dirty. It doesn't even take that long. You can do this in 15 minutes or less in the morning and at night. You don't even have to give that much of your day, your time to it. The last step is moisturizing, you guys. You cannot wash your face and not put on a moisturizer. I have a friend who has an amazing beauty counter. And this person was like, my skin always feels dry, something's wrong. And I was like, send me a picture of your beauty counter. Tell me why this individual did not even have a moisturizer. I was like, who lied to you at the Kill store and at Sephora? Who was not helping you? Don't talk to them ever again, okay? Today we're using Bliss Bright Idea Vitamin C and Tri-Peptide Moisturizer. This moisturizer people have been raving about, you know. It has an amazing citrus scent, and it actually has collagen-protecting and brightening nutrients within it. When I say that, if you don't know, the thing with vitamin C is it's all about brightening. If you're dealing with dark spots, this is the moisturizer for you. If you feel like your skin is dull, you're not getting really like that glow, that radiant shine, this might be a moisturizer you really want to try out. Especially in your nighttime routine, this is a moisturizer that can definitely make a difference. Now, one thing that I've heard and read a lot in the reviews about this product was that, you know, a little bit goes a long way. And I can tell you that, but I'm also a person where if it's nighttime, I don't mind having a greaseball face. So I will tell you, apply at your own risk. Period. Please like, subscribe, share this video, comment, click the notification bell, tell your mama, your granny, your daddy, your mama.
Your baby mama not doing it like me. Your uncle not doing it like me. Your sister not doing it like me. Nobody doing it like me. I'm number one stunner.
Definitely tell all your friends that love skincare because, I mean, yes, get into the mug. Yes, get into it. Definitely tell those people. And just thank you so much for staying and watching to the end. In the next video, we're going to be talking all about cleansers. Pre-cleanse, cleanse. I mean, do you need to do both? Is it necessary? I guess you're just gonna have to watch the next one. But until then, thank you guys so much for supporting. And if you want to enter into my YouTube giveaway for the launch of my channel, stay tuned for the next segment. If not, I love you so much. Stay sexy, keep it hot, and keep raining raindrops. I'll be giving away $30 of cold hard cash each and every month to a lucky viewer and listener. So here are the details to enter to win. 1. Subscribe to the channel. 2. Like this video. 3. Follow me on Instagram. And 4. You need to share this video on one of your platforms, oh yeah, here's the extra bonus. You can do multiple entries. Yes, that's right. If you, for the next 30 days, want to shout out my channel on Instagram, that means you get 30 entries on Instagram. If you want to shout it out on Twitter too, plus the 30 days, each day that you want to shout it out on Instagram, that's 60 times that you get an opportunity to win that $30 of cold hard cash. So hey, go for it, baby. I'm not gonna block your blessing.